Imagine this: a small town brewery built from the ground up by two friends becomes a beloved community space for more than a decade. But after one of the co-founder dies unexpectedly in a tragic accident, everything changes. The founder's spouse, who helped run the business for years, stepped up, hoping to carry on her husband's legacy. But she had no legal control, no funds to buy out the other partner, who lived overseas and hadn't been involved in over years. Without clear authority or the financial ability to secure ownership, she was pushed out. The staff resigned, the business shut its doors, and what had once been a thriving local institution disappeared almost overnight. Not because it failed, but because it wasn't protected. This is exactly where business life insurance and buy-sell agreements come in. A life insurance policy on the founder could have provided the funds needed for his spouse or the business to buy out the other partner. Buy-sell agreement would have spelled out how ownership transfers in the event of death, avoiding the painful power struggle that followed. These aren't just financial tools. They're what allow your business, your team, your legacy to survive the unthinkable. When people think about life insurance, they often imagine it's just personal protection, but it can also be a powerful tool for your business. So let's start with the basics. Life insurance offers several key benefits. It provides financial security to you and your loved one, helps cover debt, final expenses, and replaces lost income depending on the policy. It can even build cash value over time. With American Family Insurance, term life insurance policies start at $100,000. It can go up to $10 million in death benefit and are available in 10, 20, or 30-year term. These policies can be renewed annually, and here's a great perk. They're convertible, which means you can switch to a permanent life insurance policy later without needing to prove insurability. Let's talk business. Group life insurance is a type of coverage offered to a group, usually employees under a single policy. Most people are familiar with it through larger companies. However, as a small business owner, you have the opportunity to offer this to your employees for their families and peace of mind. It's typically owned by the employer or an organization and may be partially and fully paid by them. This kind of coverage adds value to your company's benefits package, boosts employee loyalty, and offers basic financial protection, often at a lower cost than individual policy. Plus, it may not require a medical exam depending on the group size and term. Another important tool is business life insurance, often called key person insurance. This is when a business takes out a policy on a key employee or the owner. The business pays the premium and is the beneficiary. If that key person passes away unexpectedly, the insurance payout can help cover financial impact, from lost sales to hiring and training replacements. Here's why business life insurance matters. 1, financial stability. It helps cushion the blow from unexpected revenue loss. Business continuity. It ensures your business can keep running smoothly in the short term. Employee assurance. It gives your team peace of mind that the business has a plan in place for its future. Finally, there's the buy-sell agreement. This is a legal agreement between the business partners that outlines what happens to an owner's share if they die or have to leave the company. It helps avoid disputes and ensures a clear transition plan. Buy-sell agreements come with big advantages. Control keeps the ownership in hands of the people you trust. Valuation establishes a clear method of value the business and the owner's departing shares. Funding. Life insurance is often used to fund these agreements, so there's immediate cash available without having to sell assets. In short, business life insurance, buy-sell agreements, crucial tools to protecting your company's future. They help minimize disruption, ensure continuity, and provide financial stability during life's unexpected turns. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to planning for the future, being proactive beats being reactive every time. So the story in the beginning was a true story and a failure of mine. I never was able to place life insurance on this company and on these partners. Whether it was me or the customer didn't value what a life insurance policy could do for them, we didn't get it worked out. It ended up being tragic, as you heard, and I took that very personal. I used the lessons from that to start helping other businesses. So to leave you today with one success story, I have a very large property management company located up in Edward. The owners, both there, realized they need to have some future planning for their company and transitions that could happen like we saw earlier. One of the partners is a little bit older than the other one, So it made sense for us to start building a buy-sell agreement, which you have to go get a lawyer for, but a term policy to fund this buy-sell agreement due to the value of the company. So they started out very small. We started out with just $250,000 in coverage on each of them to buy each other out, protect their families. But then as the company grew, we're now up to over $2 million in life insurance coverage on this business, and it's only going to help them out in the future. So I encourage you to be like this company and really think about what you need to protect your business, whether you're an entrepreneur or you have a partnership to buy out or even in a corporation that needs to settle things amongst the board. It's important to have some way to fund these agreements. Hope this helped today. Hope that story is a little more cheerful than the first one. And if you have any questions, I'll be hopefully live here in a little bit.